citizens. We are not slaves. We are citizens. We are not slaves. And we will continue to let them know that indeed we are citizens. We are not slaves. Wherever we stand in this country, we stand as the citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are not to be intimidated. You walk around here, you see policemen and women with their guns. You see security agents with their guns. And I ask you, where are you when we are being kidnapped? Where are you when we are being killed? Where are you when Satan is pointing his fingers in our eyes? Where are you when all the bad things are happening in Nigeria? You come out with your guns. You come out standing. You tell us you're men. You tell us you're women. But you're just winks. You are doing nothing. Nigerians are no more safe on the streets. Nigerians are no more safe in their houses. Nigerians are not safe anywhere. It is protesters that come out and you come out and intimidate. So we're not intimidated. Yes. No Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian.
That's right. That's right.
Every one of us occupy the highest office in this land, and that is the office of the citizen. The president occupies the highest political office, so his office is less than our office. I am an employee of the president. I pay the president's salary. I pay the bills of his family, and he must protect, whether he likes it or not. As the commander-in-chief, the president has failed. How many police were killed by terrorists in Borno? What have you guys done? I needed to see my commander-in-chief. Be one. I needed to see all of you. Go after Shekau and bring Shekau out. You're standing here in front of protesters. And soldiers have been killed all over. Madam, your colleague has just been killed. What have you done about it? We all are suffering. And as you're waiting here, the next phone call might come and they will say they've picked your child. What will you do? God will not forbid. You know why, madam? Because those people it happened to, they too pray. The only way God will forgive is for us to do what God has given us. We cannot be praying. We cannot be a nation of praying people. We call ourselves the most populous country in Nigeria.
Absolutely.
Really? But when it comes to protest, we are the least populous country.
Absolutely.
Because we have cowards as citizens. People who are afraid to die. Are we living in Nigeria?
No.
Is this life? This is not life. You know what? Excuses are like shoes and you always find the one that fits. It is time for us to stand as a nation. I'm tired of being afraid in my country. I'm tired of hiding in